Good morning, Simon. Good morning, Tony. Sorry I've missed your call this morning, and it's been a bit. I've been super busy this week. Blake's my business partner's obviously he's away. He's overseas in Europe at the moment. He was talking at a few events, so I've been picking up most of his work. And another one of our members just had a baby, so he's taking some time off. So my calendar has been absolutely nuts. So I apologize for being missing your calls. I'm pretty flat chat today as well. So I'll give you a buzz if I can a bit later on this afternoon once I get a moment free. But I thought I'd just shoot through a quick video, just running through what's going on with the new account that we've just opened up. I have seen the disapprovals come through, so I'll just run you through what had been disapproved and what we are running. So as you can see here in the new V2 ad account, I have got a bit of a double layered strategy at the moment running. So obviously the videos you sent over, Simon, for with Brendan or Brent, I can't remember his name. Sorry, I might be getting that wrong. I think it's Brent. So I've got those running. I mentioned this on the phone yesterday to a really broad property interest. And two of these are the ones that have been disapproved. They were running, so it looks like they were running for a couple of days, and then they got disapproved. But not the end of the world. I have two more running, which is doing the same job. So that's all cool. I might have a look and see if I can review these and send them through for review to get them back up and running. I can't see anything in them, but rest assured, I'm aware of it, and things are still running, and I'm doing what I can to get things approved and get registrations to the event. I've been noticing not only on your account, but across about 3 or 4 of my other clients, approvals aren't coming through. So I don't know what's going on with Facebook. Their compliance must just be ramping it up. I've been seeing super vanilla ads of ours just getting disapproved, and going through the approval process is a bit of an annoying process, and it takes some time. So we're not dead in the market, or dead with our activity and our campaigns. So that's all good. Don't worry there. I still have some others running that are plugging that gap. So that's the phase one. So obviously, yeah, I just went through. That's quite a broad property interest. So I'm using those videos just to generate some interest amongst a much broader top of funnel audience, building up a relevated, engaged audience. And then phase two, you can see here, is hitting individual or retargeting people who had viewed the videos at the top of funnel, a much more targeted interest base, and then a lookalike of the databases that you sent through. I'm going to also introduce the other lookalike or the other audience to retarget the database that you sent through as well, Tony. So I'll get that up and running today. But I can see a few registrations have come through since I launched that, so that's good to see. I'm going to do a bit of optimization today on the actual conversion ads at the bottom of funnel, or the middle of funnel, on these phase two ones. So I'll get working on that today. I will try to give you guys a call this afternoon. My diary is pretty much jam-packed up until about 4 o'clock, so it might be after 4. But if not, I'll definitely shoot you an email and give you an update with how we're looking and what the plan is going into the weekend. But I hope you guys have a great day, and yeah, I'll try to give you a call. So again, apologies for missing your call this morning, but I will get in touch, either email or phone call this afternoon. Thanks, guys. Chat soon.